In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can download videos from Spotlight on Snapchat to your phone gallery. You can simply download Spotlight videos in just few simple steps. To do this, head into your Spotlight section on Snapchat. On this video, tap on this share icon right here. Then slide towards your right and select this option of download. Your video will get downloaded successfully to the phone gallery. You just need to tap on the download button and the video will get downloaded successfully. That's how easy it is to download Spotlight videos to your phone gallery. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.